Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's episode on how we went to my bride's place to get her prepared. So this is me when we arrived at the park. I'm trying to take notice of everything happening around me, starting from the park. So we moved on from the park to where my bride is lodged. So this is the hotel where the bride is being lodged. So at the moment, I was kind of trying to take record again of everything going around the environment. So this is us going inside. We noticed that there are so many brides, and Joe Brushy came to welcome us, and this is the makeup artist. So Joe Brushy came to welcome us. We step into the room. We met Sunny, the hairstylist. So this is the bride. Forget the bride is so shy. So this is Joey. People have met him, and this is the bride's sister. So and this is the bride. Bride said hello to everyone watching this program, watching this channel too. The bride is saying hello to you all. So now we started from the hairstyling. The reason why I recorded this, so you know that getting a bride ready in Africa is not easy. It takes entire village to get the bride ready. So now we are almost done with the hair. So Sunny was doing her job, what she knows how to do the best. So this is it. So our bride is so fine. She can talk, sha. So now to Joe. Joe is the makeup artist. So just started with I think carving of the eyebrow. So this is it. Carving of the eyebrow. To applying of foundation. I think I overheard you saying she have smile line, so he's trying to cover the smile line up. So I think that was why he was applying those foundation down close to the lips. Sorry. So this is it, man, guys. I can't wait for you guys to follow us to the village. So Joe Brushes was doing his stuff while Sunny was almost done styling the hair. So guys, now this is applying of an setting powder, I guess. So as Joe was applying the setting powder, they were kind of having a sweet gist, and this is the hair Sunny was actually packing from behind. So now guys, so they are done setting the powder on her face, and now bride is quite looking awesome. So now they are done setting the powder. Oh, it was so fun. I enjoyed every bit of this. So now I think Joe was kind of going through the process of getting the brows ready so he can line it. So he's kind of setting it. So I think they have to set it. I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't really know. So now he's dusting off the powder on the brows and the lining. So this is it. I think this is where the main work is. See Joe. Joe can never be serious, but yeah, Joe is so serious. Joe is so serious with the brows and the lining. So guys, if you're coming across this channel for the first time and you are enjoying this blogging that I did for you guys, please why not give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate, and subscribe to my channel too. So guys, this is it. We are still at the lining. It was a fun process. I bet you. Watch to the end. Watch this to the end. Oh my god. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I know some of you don't know the process most vendors go through to get brides ready. So this is the lips. We're almost done with the brows and the eyeshadow, and we are the lips now. So everybody is getting ready, including the cameraman, the videographer, the bride's mom, the bride's sister. Sunny was over there sleeping. So everybody was getting ready. Everybody was getting ready, including me. During the video, I was also getting ready because it was a memory to remember. Guys, I said it was what a memory to remember. And now this is the lips. Oh my god, who is this? Our beautiful bride, looking all glammed, all beautiful, all sexy, all succulent. Oh, and this is it. Boom. Meet the bride. Ah, oh, Gene. And this is our bride's outfit. I said I'll get every bit of everything for you guys. No stone was left untouched. So everything. So this is the outfit, the beads, the inza. Inza in Igbo language, we call it Inza. In English, hostel. And this is our bride. So they are trying to record her and get a video and pictures from the hotel where she's been lodged. Let's take you to the village. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the village and this is the decoration. So this is the deco, this is the live band and the DJ, and most people are there already waiting for the brides to come, and this is the groom and the groommen stepping in. I said I'll give you guys content, everything content, and this is what I'm presenting. So this is the groom and the groommen stepping in with the bouncers, and the groom going to greet the in-laws. You know, in Igbo land, you greet the in-laws first when you step in, and now this is the groom going to do some para. Ogenede, odoguna ebecha ebecha. So this is the groom doing some para with his guys and the spraying and other stuff. Now the bride is here to greet the groom's family and all the friends and well wishers that came to enjoy this big occasion with her. So the bride have to come out to greet them. This is part of our African culture. In Igbo land, it's part of Igbo land culture. So this is the group, the bride greeting with her girls. And again, dance eguna favor. So now she's dancing with her girls. We call them their shebi. They are the assistant that will help the bride to come out to greet the in-laws. So this is it. I think the bride is a bit shy. Yeah, it's normal. Some people are not that friendly with a lot of people around them. So she actually fall into that category. Now this is me. I'm done tying her scarf, and now she's going to search for her husband to give the husband drink. Oh my god, because people want this scarf. Look at the scarf. The scarf is given. Yes, I tied it. So now she's looking for her husband and finally found the husband, and yeah, they are sitting on their wonderful deco for some pictures or friends and family to take pictures. And now this is the cake cutting, and now these are friends and family gifting her some, you know, in Igbo culture, some people will give you clothes, wrapper. They'll give you wrapper because now you're a married woman, so you have something to go home with. And now these are friends and family. These are some friends praying money, doing some para. You understand? You know, Igbo men, they love para. They love para a lot. So this is the party time where everything will start. So these are the few I was able to get, and this is it. Everybody is now happy. Dancing have started. The party has begun. So now let's enjoy the process. So guys, if you find this video so interesting, so nice, please, I want you to drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Drop a comment below and demand for more. I promise you guys, I will give you guys more of this video. So this is it. Some friends and the wife spraying money. Yeah, Igbo people love para. Apparently Igbo. Anambra, Enugu, Kwenu, Igbo Kwenu, Kwezo, no, this is it. Yes, so I'm so happy to be part of this big event. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye.